Okay, I've got to say, this is still one of my favorite micro drones. I was just re-exploring it again. Okay, I've got to say, this is still one of my favorite micro drones. I was just re-exploring it again and trying it out, and especially if you're a parent and you have a kid and you want to get them a cool little drone to play with, it's so cool. Not only is it easy to fly, does it do the stunts, it's very controllable. I love it. So easy, the way the trims on the remote here, that makes life super easy. And then the thing which really, really, really seals the deal is, watch this. That's it. So if you're traveling, this is all you need to bring your kid, and he's gonna be a hero having his own little drone, or her, she could have her own little drone. And additionally, it holds four AAA batteries, which will also charge the drone while you're traveling. I think that is just like a killer feature. It is amazing that you don't have to start with separate chargers and all that kind of stuff. You just plug it into this and it charges while you're going down the road. In any case, this is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a gift for a kid or your own kid or something like that, cannot go wrong with this Holy Stone drone. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.